Previously in the mysterious talking thermostat, Tommy couldn't believe his ears when the thermostat on his wall started talking. Theo, the friendly thermostat, needed Tommy's help to solve a mystery inside their home. Some rooms were too hot, others too cold, and something strange was messing with the airflow. By the end of Chapter 1, Tommy had agreed to help. And now, their adventure continues. Now let's get into Chapter 2, the case of the ghostly draft. Theo guided Tommy around the house, showing him vents, filters, and ducts. Something's definitely off, Theo said. Let's check the vents first. Tommy crouched near the living room vent and felt a cold breeze. That's weird, he said. Cold air is blowing out, even though the heater's on. Exactly, Theo said. Either there's a blockage, or something even worse. Let's check the air filter. Tommy opened the filter panel and coughed. Ugh, it's full of dust. A clogged filter makes the system work harder, Theo explained. It wastes energy and makes your home uncomfortable. Replace it and we might solve part of the mystery. Tommy quickly replaced the filter, feeling proud. But just as the air began to flow normally again, Theo beeped nervously. Wait, that didn't fix everything. Something else is wrong. Up there. Tommy looked up toward the dark opening of the attic. Theo's voice dropped to a whisper. We're heading into the attic next, Tommy. But be careful. Not everything up there wants to be found. What could be waiting in the shadows above? Remember to like, share, and subscribe so you can find out what happened in Chapter 3, The Secret in the Attic.